In today's modern era, technology has revolutionized our world and daily lives. It has created amazing tools and putting useful information at our fingertips. With all these revolutions, technology has made our life easier, faster, and better. There are so many inventions in technology, including those related to education. The number of people using technology as a tool to enhance their education has increased rapidly. While many teachers are excited by technology, others are concerned by its rapid development and wonder whether they could be replaced. Therefore, can technology replace teachers? Based on some articles that I read regarding teachers and technology, both clearly stated that technology cannot replace teacher. So, do I agree with that? And the answer is yes. I agree that technology can never be replaced teachers, and teachers should never be replaced by technology. Technology can facilitate the learning process, but it cannot replace the role of teachers. Vivian Clinton, in a study for the College of Education at Michigan State University, points out that computers do not teach children to question, to discriminate among sources of information, to weigh perspectives, to think about consequences, to bring contextual meaning to situation, to be creative, or to make careful judgments. A fundamental role for the teacher is to foster social learning. It includes interactions, discussions, and collaborations between students. Technology cannot give this type of social interaction as well as teacher can. Teachers can give what technology will never, that is, a relationship. Teachers come with experiences and life stories to share. They can feel students' emotions, feelings, and students' capability. It is about human interaction and making connections that can never come from any kind of technology. Besides, it's not about teachers being replaced by technology, but how teachers can adapt to incorporate technology in their lesson. Teacher must learn how to assess and critique technology in order to identify those tools best placed to make a real contribution to the classroom. By being more proactive with technology, it can be beneficial for both teachers and students to make a better process of learning. However, no matter how advanced and no matter how smart technology is, it can never come close to the attention and affection the teacher gives. Teachers simply do not only share knowledge or information. It is so much more than that. They also lead, guide, facilitate, and mentor students. Teachers impart students with life skills, valuable life lessons, and inspire them to reach their dreams and drive them toward a brighter future. The connection and bond between teachers and students creates a perfect learning environment which can never be achieved through technology.